All right, good day everyone. So today we're going to discuss lesson 9 of our subject, innovation management. So it is entitled social innovation. Okay, so first let's identify what is social innovation. Okay, when we say social innovation, it is defined as a dynamic process of strategically developing and implementing inventive ideas, okay, strategies, or invention aimed at proactively addressing prevalent social issues and instigating positive transformative change. Okay, so it is also manifest in various forms such as cutting edge technologies to innovative business model, okay, policy, program, service, okay, all designed to make tangible impact on individuals' lives and community well-being, okay? So, we have characteristic of social innovation. We have 8 characteristics. So, let's discuss this in detail. First characteristic of social innovation is social impact, okay? Social innovation aims to generate positive social impact, right, and address pressing social challenges. It focuses on improving well-being and quality of life for individuals and communities, particularly those who are marginalized or underserved. So usually, one of the characteristics of social innovation, it has social impact, no, within the communities. Okay. So another characteristic is collaboration and co-creation. So social innovation often involves collaboration, no, with stakeholders, no, including individuals, organizations, communities, governments, and academia. Okay, when we say co-creation, it involves actively, okay, involving beneficiaries, end users, and other stakeholders in a innovative process, ensuring their voices are heard and their needs are addressed. So it recognizes the value of collective wisdom, expertise, and resources in finding innovative solution. So it cannot called social if it has no collaboration with other stakeholders, no? And co-creation, ibig sabihin, it is not made only by one person, no? It is a collaboration with and co-creation with within the communities. Okay? Another characteristic is system thinking. Okay? Social innovation takes a systematic approach to problem solving, considering the interconnectedness of social, economic, and environmental factors. Okay, it aims to identify and address the root cause of social issues rather than merely treating their symptoms. Okay, so meaning to say, may systematic approach yung social innovation. So meron siyang connected sa social, economic, tsaka environmental factors. Okay? Another characteristic is innovative strategies. Okay? So it encourages unconventional thinking and exploration of new ways to address problems. Okay? So it also involves repurposing existing resources, leveraging technology, you know, innovation, okay, redesigning process or adapting successful solution from one context to another. Okay? So usually social innovation has an innovative strategies to implement that innovation to the communities. Okay? So another characteristic is empathy and user-centeredness. Okay, social innovation places a strong emphasis on understanding the needs, aspiration, and perspective of the people affected by social problem. It also involves a deep sense of empathy and incorporates user-centered design principle to develop solution. Okay? Solutions that are relevant, inclusive, and meaningful to the intended beneficiaries. Okay? So, as we have discussed earlier, no, meron siyang impact and yung mga beneficiaries nun has usually the social innovation is centered on the needs of the communities. Okay? Another characteristic is creativity and innovation. Okay? So social innovation encourage creative and innovative thinking to challenge conventional wisdom and develop novel approaches to social issues. Okay? It explore ideation, methods, technologies, business model, or policy frameworks that have potential disrupt in existing system and create positive change. Okay? So usually, one of the characteristics of social is being creative, no? Okay, next characteristic is scalability and replicability. Okay? Social innovation seeks solution, okay, that be scaled up or replicate to reach a broader population or address similar challenge in different contexts. No? It aims to create sustainable model that can be adopted and adopted by others to maximize impact. Okay? Usually, mga social innovation, no, na nagagaya yan para magaya sa ibang lugar, yung impact na naipoproduce niya doon sa isang community. Okay? So another characteristic is measurable outcomes. Okay? So of course, all social innovation has a measurable outcomes and impact metrics. So these metrics help assess the success of the innovation in achieving its intended goals. And last characteristic is empowerment and inclusion. No? It aims to empower marginalized and vulnerable population, no, dun sa mga rural areas, no, ensuring their active participation in innovative in innovation process and the benefits of its outcome. So these are the characteristics of social innovation. So let's proceed with the example, okay, of social innovation. So we have 8 example here. So let's discuss this in detail. First is microfinance. When you say microfinance, it is an institution, no, such as Grameen Bank, have a pioneer business, financial business model, innovation to provide small loans, no. So, itong Grameen Bank sa Bangladesh to ginawa, in-start, no. So, it is part of social entrepreneurship wherein a microfinance, when we say microfinance, nagpapaloan sila doon sa mga usually ang Grameen Bank, ang priority nila yung mga mother na naiiwan sa bahay instead of matulog lang sila doon sa bahay, no? They provide small loans or financial service para makapag-start sila ng business at through that business, no, makaka-produce sila ng sarili nilang income, no, na hindi umaasa sa iba. Okay? So, isa sa social innovation na ginawa is, ay, example is yung microfinance na nakakatulong siya ng social impact, no? Tapos kapag lumago na yung business na yon, mag-hire ng ibang tao, makakatulong na naman sa other people. Tapos, malaking impacto sa community na economic development. Okay? Another example is renewable energy. Okay? Usually, ito yung mga companies na renewable energies. They are one of the example of social innovation. No? They initiate promoting renewable energy such as solar and wind power projects. No? So, this solution address environmental concern and provide sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels, offering clean and energy option, no? Reducing carbon emission. Okay? So, may mga ganyan na company, no? They use yung or solar and wind power projects to innovate a new product, no? Next example is social entrepreneurship. Okay? If you would study social entrepreneurship, Grameen Bank is one of the example, na best example ng social entrepreneurship. Tulad nga ng microfinance. Yung bank na yon, they are microfinancing institutions sila na nagpa-provide ng loans. Pero yung ginagawa nila na nagpapautang sila doon sa mga vulnerable population na walang-wala. Tapos, it produce social entrepreneurship kasi any business na gagawin nila doon sa social nila, no? Mapopondohan ng microfinance. Kaya medyo connected siya. So, organization like Tom's Shoes and Warby Parker have adopted buy one, get one. So, ito yung one of the strategy, no? Ginagawa social entrepreneurship. Pag bumili ka ng isang product, okay, bayad mo din yung isang product at ibibigay nila yon product na yun doon sa mga nangangailangan. So, may mga ganyang businesses, no? Example, yung may mga ganitong company, no? They sell notebooks, lalo na yung pasukan. Nakita ko last time sa National Bookstore. Buy one notebook and give one, no? So, ibig sabihin, kapag binili mo yung product na yon, um, dalawa yung value na bibilihin mo, pero isa lang mapupunta sa'yo. Yung isa mapupunta doon sa idodonate ng National Bookstore doon sa mga bata na nangangailangan ng mga notebooks. So, ibig sabihin, at the same time, nakatulong ka na, nakapag-donate ka. So, yan yung mga social entrepreneurship. No? So, this incremental innovation approach combine profitability with social impact. No? Address issues as accessing the shoes and eyewear of disadvantaged population. So, iba-iba. Yan, no? Yung example natin kanina sa National Bookstore. Ito yung sa Tom Shoes and Warby Parker, no? So, they use itong buy one, give one model wherein nakakatulong sila kapag bumili sila ng shoes na isa, no? Yung isang shoes is papadala nila doon sa mga rural areas. Okay? Next is social innovation labs. Okay? Ito yung mga example ng social innovation. May mga laboratories, no? Such as ito, Mars Solution Lab, tsaka yung Nesta Innovation Lab, wherein they provide space for experimentation and collaboration, no? And co-creation to address complex social challenges. So these labs bring together diverse stakeholders, including policymakers, researchers, entrepreneurs, and citizens to develop and test innovative solutions through participatory and iterative process. So may mga laboratory na ganyan, no, to help yung mga policymakers, researchers, pagdating sa social innovation. They provide space, no, para mag-experiment and so forth. Okay? Ito naman, open source software. Okay? So this movement exemplified by projects like Linux, no, Wikipedia, as revolutionary knowledge sharing and collaboration. It allows people to freely access, okay, use and contribute to software and information resources, fostering global cooperation and democratizing access to knowledge and technology innovation. So may mga ganyan open source software na they can provide yung mga information, no? Katulad ng Wikipedia, information about anything, no? Para magkaroon ng access sa knowledge yung mga tao, no? sa community. Okay? Circular economy initiatives. Okay? Usually, itong models na to, they use yung recycling and upcycling programs, no, they aim to minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency. May mga ganitong company, no? So this initiative provide sustainable production and consumption patterns by reimagining the entire life cycle of product, reducing environmental impact, and creating economic opportunities. May mga ganitong companies, no? They recycle mga hindi na ginagamit na materials, they refurbish, tapos binibenta nila ulit yun sa ano, para at least instead of maging waste yung isang bagay, no, napakinabangan pa ulit na recycle siya, tapos kumita pa sila. Yan, circular economy. Meron din tayong tinatawag na isa sa social innovation, no, digital platform for social change. So, ito yung mga crowdfunding platforms, katulad ng Kickstarter, GoFundMe, yung mga nagpa-fund. Ang advocacy nila is to help individuals or organization to raise awareness, to raise fund, no? Para yung fund na yun gagamitin nila to help yung community. So by embracing digital innovation, this platform facilitate grassroots participation and empower individuals to drive social change. Okay? So last is social impact bonds. Okay? So these social impact bonds is also known as pay for success contracts. No? So these are the innovative financing mechanism that brings together private investors, no, non-profits, and governments to address social issues. No? Investors provide upfront capital to fund social programs, and government repays them. And financial return only if they predetermine social outcomes are achieved. Ayan. So may mga bonds, no? So may mga contract yan sa government, no? O kaya mga private sectors na ganito yung gagawin nila. Kapag na-achieve nila, saka lang sila babayaran. No? So one of the help ng mga private sectors tsaka ng government doon sa mga non-profits, no? Organization. Okay? So that's it for our lesson. So these are the reference. And thank you for listening and see you next meeting.